It seems like South Florida is the plastic surgery capital of the world.
That it is. Thousands of people going under the knife to look younger and thinner.
You're looking over at me like a... One local doctor says he has the magic answer to make your surgery a whole lot easier. Here's 10 o'clock news reporter Ann Miller.
I was starting to look really old and horrible. And my husband kept looking at me when I wake up in the morning, and he'd say, but he's really honest, and he said, am I going to have to look at this forever?
There's no such thing as forever, but Risa West had a way to turn back time.
I had a forehead lift, I had a neck lift, and I had my eyes done.
Then I had a full facelift the following year.
These South Palm Beach County women both decided to use surgery to alter their appearance, but they also have another thing in common. This man, Dr. Daniel Mann, a Boca Raton plastic surgeon who's come up with a new and unusual way to speed up recovery after surgery.
He just said, we have magnets that help you heal faster, and I said, fine.
And it goes around like this.
Dr. Mann says these simple items can produce amazing results.
The body is an interesting electromagnetic field, and sometimes what you see is loss of this field due to an injury. By putting the magnet next to the area that has been operated on, you reestablish the good electromagnetic field, and there's less of the swelling and the bruising and the black and blue, and the patients feel more comfortable.
Dr. Mann conducted a study involving 20 patients. 70% of those patients healed faster after wearing the magnetic patches following surgery. And that's not all.
There was not hardly any pain. I mean, you know, people ask me, they say, I would like to do what you did, but I don't want to go through the pain. And I'm like, what pain, you know?
Pain after surgery, a reason many people are fearful about having facelifts, liposuction, and tummy tucks.
One of the reasons people have discomfort and pain after surgery is because they have swelling, and the swelling just stretches the tissue. But when you put the magnet next to the area that had been suctioned, for instance, or after the facelift, close to this area, what you see is actually that the swelling comes down, and that makes them more comfortable.
And when the form of comfort comes in something as simple and inexpensive as a magnet, it's easy to follow doctor's orders.
Yes, it was very helpful. You don't feel them. I mean, there's no hot, there's no cold. They're just there.
And Dr. Mann hopes these new tools have a very attractive future. Ann Miller, Fox 29.
And Dr. Mann says we could soon see magnets help in other types of surgery as well. Patients wear the magnetic patches several hours a day immediately following surgery.